हेलो नमस्ते नमस्कार माई सेल्फ विनायक. सो स्टार्टिंग विद टुडेज वीडियो, मुंबई में ही एक रोड ट्रिप जस्ट जॉटेड इट ऑन द मैप विच यू कैन सी. ट्रिप स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैंने ये ट्रिप ओडोमीटर सेट किया था 20 किलोमीटर जस्ट टू चेक कि टोटल जर्नी कितना होता है. सो ये पहुंचे हम एरोली मुलन ब्रिज, सिटी ऑफ फ्लेमिंगो से बाहर जाने का रास्ता. ड्यूरिंग द जर्नी मैं लिस्ट डाउन करूंगा द स्पेसिफिक पॉइंट्स जहाँ जहाँ हम हैं. So we parked the car here at Geo Garden, around 2 kilometers from the BKC metro, and वहाँ से फिर हमने ऑटो ले लिया to the actual metro station. So we reached and this is metro station के बाहर का नज़ारा. The station since it is underground ये fully air conditioned है. So we took a return ticket to the last station. Per person one way 50 rupees है, and if you go for return it is 100 rupees. तो ये आया लास्ट स्टेशन एंड एज यू कैन सी अभी ये मेट्रो अंडरग्राउंड से बाहर आएगा. अभी भी देयर इज अ फ्यू कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क गोइंग ऑन, बट या यू कैन सी कि इट इज कमिंग आउट ऑफ द टनल. A little bit about this underground metro. This underground metro is also called as Line 3 or Aqua Line. अभी ये partially operational है. इसका total length है around 33.5 kilometers, which will be planned in 3 phases. Phase 1 is currently operational, जो 12.4 kilometers का है, running from RA till BKC. And then phase 2 and phase 3, which are still under construction, is of 9.6 and 11.5 kilometers respectively. This is just outside the RA metro station, almost एयरपोर्ट वाइब आता है. दिस लाइन इज ऑल्सो नोन एज कोलाबा बांद्रा सीम्स लाइन. इसमें से almost 27 stations are underground and only one is at grade or at ground level station, which is RA station. The rest all 27 stations, Kolaba, BKC and every station is underground. And on the return journey ये अभी टनल के अंदर जाते हुए. One more interesting point about this line is that it will have a twin tunnel passing under the Mithi River between Banda Kurla complex and Dharavi stations. So ये tunnel around 560 feet long होगा. And this is the only second under river metro tunnel in India. This is the metro model. Sorry, but due to the lights, थोड़ा reflection आ रहा है. But as you can see, ऊपर there are buildings, and under that the metro line is constructed. So it is quite a cool construction, and यहाँ पे उन्होंने पूरा map भी layout किया है. The total map, part of which is still under construction, but it is just showing कि ये कहाँ से कैसे connect करेगा. So it is nicely done. So the metro experience is done, and थोड़ी पेट पूजा भी कर ली हमने, so that we do not have any further halts in our journey. Bandra Worli Sea Link, officially also known as Rajiv Gandhi Sea Link, is a 5.6 kilometer long, 8 lane, wide cable stayed bridge, and ये connect करता है Bandra in the western suburbs of Mumbai with Worli in South Mumbai. So ये second longest sea bridge है after Mumbai Trans Harbour Link, which is also known as MTHL, which is also known as Atal Setu. So it's also the 5th longest bridge in India. So इसका कंस्ट्रक्शन स्टार्ट हुआ था इन अराउंड 2000 एंड इट एंडेड ऑन 30 जून 2009 एंड पब्लिक के लिए ये ओपन हुआ ऑन 24 मार्च 2010. कार्स के लिए अराउंड 85 रुपीज इज द टोल. The coastal road, also known as Dharmveer Swarajya Rakshak Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj Coastal Road. It's an 8-lane, 29.2 kilometer long, grade separated expressway. So ये along Mumbai's western coastline construct किया है, and it will connect marine lines in the south to Kandivali in the north. अभी currently इसका phase 1 is operational, which is from marine lines to Worli, and इसका phase 2 is still under construction. So if you see, Bandra se Worli and then from Worli to Marine Lines is a fast connectivity, and if we see the total journey travel time got reduced from around 2.5 hours to maybe 40 minutes or 30 minutes. There is no toll as of now for using the coastal road, but yes, if you start from Bandra, तो Bandra Worli Sea Link पे एक toll है, which as I said is of 85 rupees, and then from there till Marine Lines Nariman Point there is no toll. So Nariman Point पे कुछ मिनट रुक के and रुस्तम्स की आइसक्रीम खा के we have started our return journey. Finally, the Mumbai Trans Harbour Link, officially known as Atal Setu, named after Atal Bihari Vajpayee. So it's 21.8 kilometer, 6-lane, grade separated expressway. So ये कनेक्ट करता है मुंबई विथ नवी मुंबई. इट्स सैटेलाइट सिटी. सो ये लॉन्गेस्ट सी ब्रिज है इन इंडिया एंड वर्ल्ड्स 12th लॉन्गेस्ट सी ब्रिज. ये स्टार्ट होता है सीवरी साउथ मुंबई से, इट क्रॉसेस थाने क्रीक एंड एंड होता है नावा शेवा इन उरन, which falls in Navi Mumbai. So this road further links to Mumbai Pune Expressway in the east, that is on the Navi Mumbai side, and on the west, that is at the Mumbai side, it links to Coastal Road. construction started in 2018 and it ended in 2023. The bridge was opened for public on 12th January 2024. So an interesting thing is that the planning for this Atal Setu was done somewhere in mid 1962, and the firm which was doing this studies of this road handed over the report in somewhere in around December 1963 to the then Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. So for the entire journey we had to pay two tolls. एक Bandawarli ceiling पे around 85 rupees का toll है, and one is for the Atal Setu, which is around 250. So the entire journey was around 108.7 kilometers, and fuel approximately 9 liters लगा. Average city average 12.5 के around आया. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked it. Do like, share, subscribe. See you in the next video.